You know that feeling when you poured your heart into something? Yung tipong inidet mo na ng paulit-ulit yung resume mo, pinag-isipan mo bawat word sa cover letter mo, nag-pray ka pa, nagpakumbaba, nagpakita ng best version of yourself. Then the day comes, you didn't get it. At nalaman mo na lang, hindi pala ikaw ang pinili. Hindi dahil kulang ka, hindi dahil hindi ka qualified, pero dahil may mas malapit sa kanila. Mas malapit sa puso. Mas matibay ang koneksyon. And that stings in a different way. Kasi hindi lang effort mo ang nasayang, pati tiwala mo sa fairness ng mundo. I remember a friend of mine, si Carlo, nag-apply siya sa isang posisyon na gustong-gusto niya. He had the background, the skills, even the charm na hinahanap nila. Everyone thought he was the perfect fit. Pero guess what? Hindi siya nakuha. Ang pinili, pinsan ng supervisor. Wala siyang masabi. He just smiled, pero ramdam mo, wasak siya. He told me, siguro kung may kilala ako, may laban din ako. And I felt that. Kasi ilang beses na rin akong nasa ganong sitwasyon na kahit anong galing, sipag at dasal ang gawin mo, kung may ibang may kapit, ikaw ang bibitaw. But here's what I told Carlo and what I keep reminding myself. Your time will come. At kapag dumating yon, it won't be because someone vouched for you dahil kakilala ka. It will be because you earned it. You proved you deserved it and you didn't give up. Rejection doesn't mean you're not enough. Sometimes it just means you're not what they're looking for, or they were never looking in the right direction. So, to everyone who's been through this na hindi pinili, kahit alam mong kaya mo na hindi napansin, kahit todo pakitang gilas ka, keep going. Don't lose yourself trying to fit in a space that was never built for you. Your space is still out there. Your people are still out there. And when the right door opens, you won't have to force it. They'll see you. They'll choose you. And finally, you'll know it was worth the wait. This is Neil. Og dili na ko magdugay. Sawadee Kap.